Buongiorno guys, welcome to our beautiful condo. Today we're gonna have a look at where we are currently living. We're trying something different for the channel, as you can see, but please come with me and let's enjoy our apartment. Oh, please come inside and welcome to our apartment. So on the right you can see already a small bedroom, okay? So for any beautiful girls that are around here, please call us. I'm joking, of course. So this is our main room, okay, where there is our training setup, okay? This is what we use every single day. Of course, a small and beautiful kitchen, fridge, everything is in here. This is the living room. All right, beautiful. As you can see, there is a beautiful sea view. Okay, for the one who's asking, we are currently in Pattaya in Thailand. Beautiful and amazing city, right? Please come with me. Let me show you the terrace. And this is the beautiful terrace. As you can see, there is a jacuzzi here. All right, so for of course all the beautiful girl who wants to join us. And this is the view, guys. What to say? You can trade, you can chill, you can smoke, you can drink, do whatever you like. And guys, I forgot something very important. Come. You know we're very healthy people, right? So that's our fridge, okay? Protein, right? That's how it works. That's exactly how it works. You know, we eat outside most of the time in the restaurant, so of course I'm not here to cook. I don't even know how to, right? So this is the main room, a beautiful bed, amazing, with the view that we already see, a beautiful TV to watch everything you would like to, right? And then let's jump inside the bathroom. Everything here is in marble, okay? White marble. This is the bathroom, this is the shower. Beautiful, nothing to say, something different from usual, right? Now, let's jump to see the actual condo.
Okay guys, as you can see now we are at the 59th floor of this amazing condo, and as you can see this amazing view, okay, on every single side of this building. In this area we can enjoy billiard, and also there is a ping pong table to the right, and this is like a living area of this building where you can chill and enjoy free time. So if you can with me, this condo, as I said, has 59th floor. Now we are at the rooftop where we can see, come with me, an amazing pool with the beautiful sea of the ocean. This building has 4 pools, one at the 59, one at the 40, and the third one on the 30, and the last one down with 2 pools inside. Come with me. As you can see, on the left and on the right, beautiful view of Pattaya. Kind of gym equipment, but this one was like a beautiful gym. As you can see, to access this condo you can use Facility, and now we can enjoy our amazing views on both sides of Pattaya. Here, ocean. Here.
Oh, Vito, where are you bringing us?
Okay, now we are going at the third floor.
Is face scan?
It's gone. Okay, we did it. The third floor we have the third swimming pool, my favorite one because there is sunrise crazy, and so now we will enjoy the third swimming pool. The problem of this swimming pool is that there is no sun, so the weather is water is kind cool. But as you can see, this pool is very cool. Look at the contrast between the color of the sea and of this man here. Here we have the view of Pattaya, while on the other side we have sauna. At the end, as you can see, we have the sauna where we can enjoy after a swim in this cold pool.
Oh, and this is our 4440. As you can see around, there is a beautiful view as well. Always the same. It's a bit of you can train there, you know, like he's doing, I don't know what he's doing. I'm not maybe calisthenics or something, but let's go to see the swimming pool. This pool, on the opposite of the other ones, has a view on the city, so it's a bit different from the usual, you know. Let's go. Now, people will look me very strange because I have a mask, but it's fine. Oh, and here we are. This is the pool. Let's see better. Something a bit different from usual. This time. But yeah, this is just amazing, right? Last but not least, our favorite spot, the gym. As you can see, classic gym, cardio room. This is all cardio room. Over there we have yoga room. You can relax and all these type of things. And then of course let's go and have a look at the other one. Here we go. This is a nice tiny room. All of the friends to the gym with an amazing view of course of the swimming pool of the first floor. Just something really, really nice.
Okay guys, now we can go to the lobby and after we go to the swimming pool. As you can see, this is the favorite pool of Alessio because of music bar on the pool, and there is a lot of girls. As you can see, it's like an hotel where we have two beautiful pools. On the end, we have our bar inside the pool where Alessio enjoy gin tonic with girls. You can also relax here. In this pool there are more people than the other because the water is hot, not cold. As you can see here, bar on the beach, music, drink, and girls, guys.
So guys, I think that's all for today. We show you a bit where we are currently working on. As you can see, it's a beautiful and amazing building. The views are amazing. The material of the apartments, etc., are amazing because are in marm. You know, you have marm, you have quartz, you know, these type of things. But this is the beautiful things of being independently free. You know, us as a trader, we can travel a lot and see all these beautiful countries around the world. Vito, something to say?
Yeah guys, hope you enjoy the video. Also we start to public more content here on YouTube. Sorry about the audio, we will of course buy a mic, so because I think there is a bit of noise, but I mean we will try to improve also on our video on YouTube.
Of course, we will improve on that, but I hope you're enjoying this new type of content also, a bit different, you know, not always the chart. The chart will be there, but something different is also nice as well for you to take and have your mind away, right?
Yeah guys.
So thank you guys, thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, links are everything in the description you will find for follow us, and I'll see you all to the next. Peace and love.